Good morning, students. Today we are dealing with 7th class 1.2 exercise chapter 1. Question is, represent 5 plus 7 on number line. We have to show it on the number line. So, if I am going on the number line కొట్టేసినాము. ఇందులో ఏం చేస్తున్నాము? ఫస్ట్ 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay. In the question is asking 8, 9, 10. We'll go like this. 11, 12, 13, 14, -7, -8. So, is asking us to find 5 plus 7. So, we will start, ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం 0 నుంచి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, how much? 7. 7. 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much it will become? 5 plus 7 equal to 12. Understood? This is the first sum. Now, second question. What is the second question? 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. For 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much we have to add? 2. So, how much it will become? 1, 2. That is 7. Second question. The third question. 5 plus -2. Here one more thing we have to take. Plus into plus equal to plus. Plus into minus equal to minus. Minus into plus equal to minus. Minus into minus equal to plus. This signs you have to keep in the mind. In the mind gurtulo pettukondi. Next. What is the sign? 5 plus -2 is there. Plus into minus, it will become minus. So we have to show it on this one. So 5 is there. -2. 1, 2. Subtraction కింద నుంచి తీసుకుందాం. Addition పైన నుంచి తీసుకుందాం. So -2. What is left out now? 1, 2, 3. Understood? Now next question. Fourth. 5 plus -7 equal to 5 minus 7. That is 5 లెక్కించి 7 తీసేయాలి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fourth one. 1, 2. No, we will do it in neat method. Now see. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is -2. Okay? This is the sum. Now, next question. That is second question. Compute. Second question, first one. 7 plus 4. You know na? Directly we have to add. We should not do on the number line. Directly send. 4 plus 11, 7 is 11. Next, second one. 8 plus -3. Plus into minus, -5. Sorry, plus 5. Third sum. 11 plus 3. We have to add here. 14. Fourth sum. 14 plus -6. Plus into minus, minus 8. Fifth sum. 9 plus minus 7. Plus into minus, minus. It is 2. Next, sixth one. 14 plus minus 10. Plus into minus, minus 4. Seventh question. 13 plus minus 15. Minus 15, that is equal to minus 2. Next, eighth one. 4 plus into minus, ninth one. 10 plus minus 2. Plus into minus 8. 10th one. 100 plus minus 80. Plus into minus 20. Now, last one. 225 plus minus 145. This is the question. So, 225 minus 145 equal to 0. 12. 12 minus 8. Okay, that answer is 80. Understood?